going?
I got a
Black Widow? Marilyn Monroe's in the window. What are they doing? Oh, someone's up there? All right, it is.
Do you realize he has 3 legs?
Come on.
Wait, get
Lewis, 2 sides. See the dinosaur, Zod? Look in the building. See the dinosaur? Yeah, this is where we're going. We're going to get some lunch. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Layla. Yes, there's that picture. Look at the door. Look at the bus coming down the street. See the bus?
You can ride on the top.
No, thank you. Look at the bus.
Oh, how about that shirt there? Back to.
What does it say? Leah! What does it say?
You have to look at it.
Well, I was trying to catch the bus. Backed up. Oh, gosh. Come on here. We live here. We don't need a t-shirt. Come on. Come on. Come on, Leah. Okay, there's civilization. This is where I'm headed, guys. See that H&M and Macy's? I'm gonna leave everybody, and that's where I'm going after we eat. They can go to the Alamo. We're at Fuddruckers, getting ready to eat. Basically, you can build your own burger. What are y'all doing? What? Yo, you don't want me to film you waiting for lunch? Everybody situated? Wait, did I give? Oh.
You know, there was some cheese right there.
I see. That's your cheese sauce. You can dip your fries in it. I know. They're gonna ask me what did they eat. Hot dog goods,
Almost gone.
A little bit of everything. have gone to get their cookie because they get free cookies. So that's what I'm waiting on. We had one mishap with a burger. So because she had just started eating it, she didn't get to eat lunch, and we're just about ready to go. So they offered to give her another burger, so that's what we're waiting on, so we can get her burger. But yeah, free cookies. Pretty good, Zai? M&M cookie? We're sitting here at the table. Now everybody's gone to the restroom, huh? We have to wait till we can go. Are you ready for a nap? And we need to go across the street. Let's go to the Alamo. We are so tired. Yeah, I see. Okay, we'll come here. Keep your top on, Leah. Come on. What? Come here. Let's go this way. It's kind of hard to capture, but there are koi. See it? They're giant koi. There's one. It's a shark. So we are actually in the gardens because you are not allowed to use photography inside. So we're outside now. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Ooh, there's that one. Ooh, look at it.
Built to supply farms.
See it? You see it? It's coming up. It's trying to talk to us. Fish. See the cactus? Yes, look at over there, the cannon. See the cannon over there? See the cannon, Leah? Right there. This is a little cool. Oh, I see a squirrel.
Look.
Yeah, something. Wow, we're going over. We're trying to get out of here. It's a nice little walk. Go left, right, right. We don't need to go over there. Right. It's that way. You see him?
They're over here.
I see.
I saw
See
them
that?
exiting over there.
Then go on over there.
More fish
Go
are
on.
coming out that
They're
little
exiting over
hole.
there.
Okay, we'll go on.
Oh, Layla, there's one that way. Look, Trick, more fish.
You waving hi?
Layla, two fish. Over there.
4 of them right here.
Those are huge fish. That's 5 fish.
A lizard. It's a lizard.
A lizard? Oh my goodness, he would spot a lizard.
I saw a fish.
Go. Where's it at?
I saw a gecko.
You see it?
Yeah, do you see it, Puffet?
I don't see it. It's in the tree somewhere. I usually see him.
Let's find out. Omar, put
Okay. Go for it.
A gecko jumped.
It jumped.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And guys, this is the building. The building is really probably about, I want to say 600 feet. We're just in the gardens. There's really nothing in the Alamo. That's why I have only come the second time to bring the kids. We won't come back. I know. We're getting ready to go. I wonder what those are. The exit is this way, Javen. So let's go that way. Let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go this way. Let's go.
You gonna keep that with your arm?
All right, let's go. We're going up. Let's go home.
Yeah, there's a white fish.
All right, before we go. All right, let's get going. It is hot, open 9 to 7. Come on. Ready to go bye-bye? So, yeah, like I said, 600 feet maybe. Hold on. All right, this way, this way. You okay? You okay? Step. Leah, hold hands with Layla. Step up. Up. All right, let's get moving. Back to Ripley's Haunted Adventure. All right, let's get stay over here in the shade. Let's walk on this side in the shade. There you go. I was switching her side so she can be in the shade. All right, guys, so comment. And I will see you all in the comments. Talk to you in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this day, July 1st. Say bye-bye. All right. Guys asleep in the car. much. Sleep.